Hey guys, nandito na siya. Ganyan magiging itsura niya ng shelf. Naubos na pera ko. I mean, it's for a good cause. It's a good investment. Excited na ako buksan siya. Actually, kahoy lang. So, I got this in the size 30 by 80. I like it. Try ko maglagay ng something on the shelf. I haven't introduced you guys to my oldest plant dito sa kwarto ko. His name is Cheon. I got this Christmas of 2019, if di ako nagkakamali. And still going strong until 2024. Dito lang siya dati before. So ganyan, 4 years growth niya na yan. And stable pa rin naman siya. I water it once a month, mga ganon. Kaya niyang mabuhay kahit hindi masyado nididiligan, just with adequate sunlight. So, it's been here since then. Speaking of plants though, naglalagay din ako ng finding plant. Ito na lang siguro. If you guys are looking for a plant na easy to care for, I highly recommend Golden Pothos. It's really drought tolerant and ang ganda ng foliage niya kapag full crown. Mas nabuhay yung kwarto ko and I love that. I might have to trim it or use a different plant.
Nag-react siya. And hindi February 1, so, February 1 to 8. Nawakit ko kung anong oras dito. February na, nag-chat na sa akin.
Live reaction yan siya. Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you a shelf tour of what I have after I set up this shelf. I only have money for 2 shelves. Like yung pinaka ganon, dalawang ganon lang. And I'm planning to buy more. Like mga 3 pa siguro. But as of now, wala na akong pera. So, yeah. Let's begin the tour with this shelf. And here I have half of my K-pop collection. I have my NCT light stick. It's one of the first merch that I've bought with my money. I bought this when I was in 10th grade. Di naman ako na-scam or anything. Di lang ako ganun kaalam with like the pricing and like what's fake or not. I got this for like 1,000 pesos lang. And yung original is like 2,500 or at least 2,500. Since then, pang display ko lang siya kasi I've never attended like any K-pop related event so far. Anyways, next to that are some albums like ayan, NCT Dream. Tapos dito na yung recent ko in-unbox, yung Drama, tapos yung Rise, and then some smaller albums like Digipacks and Jewel Cases. And then at the back, andyan yung mga photo box na malalaki. Ayan, nandun sa pinakalikod yung Espa, My World, yung tabloid version. Ang size niya sa A3. Like, tabloid talaga siya. And then, ito rin, recent ko rin yan in-unbox, yung On My Youth ng Wavy. I do have some cameras, and one of them works, by the way. This one works. Yan. It's the Sony HDR SR7 Handycam. Unfortunately, hindi ko pa ma-retrieve yung mga files from this. Meron siyang kasamang supposedly na dock dito, tapos dun i-connect yung mga wires, and I don't have that. Ito lang yung binigay sa akin, and I'm still looking for a way para makuha yung files ko dito. And if you guys have tips para makuha yung mga files ko dito sa Handycam na to, please comment them down below. I also have this guy. Ito, digital na yan, Handycam. And then this one, cassette tape pa siya, guys. Super tagal na to sa amin. I don't think I've ever seen it na nagamit. Nung naglilinis sila nung December, binigay sa akin ng dad ko to. And ginawa ko na lang din kasi, wala, para merong makapag-appreciate. Unfortunately, hindi nga siya gumagana. I don't know how to make it work. Besides, wala akong tapes para pagahin siya. So, ayun. Naka-display lang siya at the moment. It's the Sony CCD FX620 video camera recorder. If you guys also have tips para mapagana siya, leave them down below. Leave some links para makita kung paano siya paganahin. So yeah, that's that shelf. And then sa baba, merong mga random na pictures and some name tags, photo strips, Polaroid of me and my friends. So I think that's that for this shelf. Now let's move to the higher shelf. Andito yung half ng K-pop collection ko. Andito yung mga colorful ko na albums. I also have my Kinos in here. And this plant, it's one of the few plants na nagtagal sa akin. I've had this one since senior high school. So, mga 4 years ago. Ngayon, super haba na niya. As in, parang mas matangkad na siya sa akin. So far, di pa naman niya ako binibigo kahit maraming beses na nalilimutan ko silang diligan. That's this one. I love this plant so much. Sana di ko na-underwhelmed kasi I'm really proud of what I did here. So yeah, ayun lang naman ang nasa shelf ko ngayon. Hello guys! Walang katapos akong K-pop ko. May bagong Rise album na naman. Last nito na Rise album, guys. So, don't worry about that. Sana mag-pull ko dito si So. I'm actually in class right now.
Nakikita ba? Ito yung isang subject ng music. Dahil pa, as ng jingles, papansin nyo pa ito isa. Dito, main wall lang siya. Gumamit kami dito ng quartz clad na naka-highlights lang. Dito naman sa production drawing, the dimensions, the other information, and infographic.
Right now, I'm gonna be sewing. Kasi wala na akong masuot. I have this shirt that I've had for so long. I've been procrastinating. Tahiin siya kasi I've cropped it so long ago. Pero wala pa rin, hindi pa rin siya nahihem. Kaya hindi ko pa siya masuot. And now na wala na akong masuot, I've thought of using it today. Hoping I can finish this in 20 minutes kasi alis din ako mamaya. I'm gonna go to a cafe to finish editing my second video, so... Hey guys, just as I'm about to go out, bago ko umalis, may dumating na package. Another album to unbox. So, since aalis na ako, mabilis ang unboxing lang. This one is actually concealed naman. Mura lang siya. I got this for 120 pesos. This is Seulgi Solo, yung 28 Reasons niya. And usually kasi pag nakikita ko tong version na to, mahal siya. Pero nakita ko siya for only 120 pesos. I now have another Seulgi album in my collection kasi mayroon ako ng photo book. Ganda ni Seulgi dito. Then we got the photo book. I love Seulgi so much. And then of course we have the CD. It's an apple. Amazing. I think I have a problem, guys. This is the third time na meron akong Shopee package this week that is a K-pop album. Hindi ko rin alam, pero mindlessly scrolling through Twitter and Shopee looking for like some good deals of albums na I've been eyeing. Like, matagal ko nang gusto ganon. Isn't healthy kasi pag nakakita ko ng good deal, you bet na kukunin ko talaga siya. In retrospect, ano daw? I mean, I spend very little lang naman. Onti lang naman. I mean, subjective yung onti, pero hindi ganun kalaking nagagastos ko. Pero as a collective, like, every other day may dumadating na ganito. That's a lot. I need to work on that. Kaya I'm back again with another unboxing of a damn album. Without further ado, unboxing natin to. This one actually, for the longest time, gusto ko na talaga siyang start yung collection ko sa group na to. Pero usually kasi mahal yung mga albums nila since medyo uncommon sila. Not necessarily rare, pero when I saw this, binili ko na kasi I don't come across such a good deal na ganito. So, dun ako nadadali eh. Like yung, mura-mura. Tapos kapag kinompute ko na lahat ng nagastos ko, yung mga onti-onti na mura na yon, they add up. And that's a lot. The thing is, I'm just really immature with my spending habits. So, yeah. Nabili ko lang siya for 120 pesos. I actually got... It's Irene and Sylvie's Monster. Charan, it's another case version, guys. So, ang first na nakita ko dito is mga posters. It comes with 2 posters. Irene. Ganda rin ni Irene dito. Yes. Pretty na ito. Gusto ko yung kulay. It also comes with these cute postcards. Irene. This. Irene pa din. And then Sergey. And of course, it comes with lyric thingy. Accordion. Lyric accordion thingy. Ayan. It also comes with, of course, yung CD and the photo book. Unfortunately, ayan. Yeah. But that's fine. Yeah, ayun lang naman ang laman nito. I really love it so much. Lagay natin siya sa shelf ko. Tignan natin ang itsura niya because I'm really loving my shelf right now. Ang ganda nung setup ko ngayon. It's Nathan, and as I'm decorating my wall in these clips, I would like to formally thank you guys for supporting my last video. And considering that my last video was around 2 months ago, as of recording this audio clip, it is already April going May, and I would like to apologize then for the super late upload of the continuation of my very first video on YouTube. And with that, please expect more from this channel. And now na tapos na rin yung midterms namin, I really hope to be able to finally share with you guys the videos that I filmed in the past few weeks. And with the remaining few seconds of this video, I highly encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel, knowing that there would be more videos to come in the next few weeks. And let me know what you guys think of the video in the comments. I'll try to interact with all of you guys. If ever man may magko-comment, considering na wala pa naman masyadong I haven't built my community on this platform yet. But nevertheless, I'm really thankful for those na maabot sa part ng video na to. And yeah, have a nice day ahead, guys. Bye!